I want to invite you to look at this beautiful property located here in El Centro, California, here in the Imperial Valley. This one is located at 1186 Whitney Way, and it's just a beautiful property. Very charming. You have that Tuscany look with the rocks. And as we go in, you'll see just the craftsmanship that was involved when they built this property. But let me show you first the neighborhood so you could kind of get an idea. Very nice neighborhood here in El Centro. If you've been thinking about relocating here in the Imperial Valley, this is a very nice neighborhood area. Just right off the freeway on the overpass. Now this particular property here, there are other properties with a similar floor plan. So if you like this floor plan, then we could help you find another one just in case it's no longer available. But look at this property. It's just beautiful. There's not too many properties like this here in the Imperial Valley. You have the double doors, you have the rock, the arches. And as we walk in, you're going to be greeted by Oscar.
Hi, everybody.
He's one of our lenders here in the Imperial Valley, and he could help you out with loans.
Of course, Oscar Garcia.
Thank you. And as you can tell, this is vaulted high ceilings here. Now, not every floor plan here has this little area here with the stairs. This was installed when the homeowner already purchased the property. It was already here. But other properties with the same floor plan will actually have this part open. So they won't even have that part open. And I'll show you the rest over here. So this is a living room / dining room. And as we continue to move forward, you have these beautiful stairs. The flooring here is tile, makes it easy when you want to clean it. Much easier than laminate. And the kitchen is just beautiful. You have granite countertops. It has specks of black and gray. You have the dark cabinets, gas with 5 burners. You have one oven, and then of course you have the microwave. Very charming property. Homeowners just did a price reduction on this property. Sales price right now is $549,000. It was once listed at $600,000, so we just made a price adjustment just the other day. So sellers are looking forward to selling this beautiful property. This property could be yours. This property is also in the McCabe School District. So if you have children, McCabe School District is a very good school. Here you have the washroom, large washroom. And you actually do have a bedroom downstairs. Okay. Here you have the full bath, the full shower. And you have the garage. Okay, a little dark right now, but it's a 2-car garage. I like this property too because it does have some accent walls where you have these little cubbies. As we walked in, there was also cubbies, and then you do have the plantation shutters. Here, these are new flooring that they just recently added. It's a laminate wood, like a charcoal black. And then you have, this is an upgrade of the wood on the rail, keeping it classy. And the bedroom, the first bedroom that you walk in, I think it's really cute the way they designed it with the board And then this one has 2 closets. Now, for those of you that want to know the direction of the property faces south. Which is nice, so you don't get the direct sun hitting you as if it were to be facing west. Especially here in the Imperial Valley, it could get pretty warm. So, very move-in ready, you know, flooring, very simple. Perfect for those that want to be creative. You do have closet space here. This is the master bedroom. I love the windows. Beautiful windows. Very good size. Easily a California king in this room with your furniture. You have the French doors with a balcony. This is a huge bonus because you actually have a beautiful view. They do see fireworks twice a year, in this area. Here's your shower, your separate shower, your bathtub, and your walk-in closet. Perfect, just needs a little bit of paint. This is your master closet, and here's your master bedroom. And again, you have more cabinet space, which is so important for our towels, for our accessories. You have your bathroom, toilet with a window. Let's go ahead and show you this view. And I want you to look at this backyard with an open mind of possibilities. This backyard is a backyard that has dirt all throughout, but look at the neighbor's home. Easily, same amount of space. You can do the same with this particular backyard here. Lots of space to sit down. This is the view. So you never really have the direct sun in your face on this property, which is great. So it keeps this property cool. And if that's something that you're interested in and wanting to look at more properties like this that doesn't get the direct sun, we can help you with that. Now this property on the neighbor side, also the same size backyard, but with turf. You do have a little shed there, a she shed or a he shed, so that you could put your tools in there, work in there. You have 2 doors, which is nice. It makes the master bedroom just look so luxurious, right? More high-end, more of a master suite style. And then again, you look down and you see your beautiful family here hanging out. And it's truly a lovely property. Very well made. I love the arch windows here. So for more properties like this, or if you're interested in taking a tour on this property, let us know. We are a team of real estate ambassadors. I personally have been selling real estate for already 20 years, and we're here to help you. We're here to help you sell your home. We're here to help you move into your home. market your property, buy this particular property. Where I'm standing right now would be where you would have your breakfast nook, and this would be your view. Well, I'm signing off. I'm Gisela Sanchez, your real estate ambassador, and you have a wonderful day, and I'm here to service you. Thank you.